Do you need to replace or maybe just tighten the handle on your Frigidaire range? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do that. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. If you need to purchase a replacement door handle for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for today's repair: masking or painter's tape, a Torx 20 screwdriver or bit. These are usually labeled with a T20. Start by opening the oven door to the broiler door position and locate the two fasteners on the back of the door. This model uses two sized 20 Torx screws. The two fasteners that hold the door handle on are also responsible for holding the inner and outer door panels together. To keep the panels held together and in place, we will place two pieces of painter's tape in the corners of the door before removing the door handle fasteners. This keeps the outer and inner door panels compressed when the handle is removed, which makes the handle installation easier as well. If you compress the inner and outer door panels together before applying the tape, it will assure that everything stays firmly in place and will also make the door handle installation easier later. While holding the handle with one hand, remove one of the T20 screws. With the first screw removed, continue to support the handle while you remove the second screw. If you don't support the handle, it could rotate and damage the front of the oven door. Avoid opening or closing the door while the handle is removed. The edges of the handle may be sharp, so please be careful when handling. If you need to purchase a new door handle, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with a full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct color and part. Note that the handle screws are not sold with the handle, so if you need new ones, you'll have to purchase them separately. We'll leave a link to the T20 screws in the video description below. They are sold separately, so if you need to, be sure to order accordingly. To install, slide the screw through the mounting hole in the door and align the threads in the handle and start the screw in the handle. This particular handle does not have a top or bottom, so mounting it upside down is not possible. Using the same process, start the second screw on the other side of the handle through the back of the door. Taping the two door panels together helps to compress the inner door panel to be able to see the screw on the outside of the door, but you may need to further compress the door to start the screws. Once both screws are started in the threads of the handle, you can fully tighten both fasteners. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws, as you can potentially break the glass or damage the appliance. Close the door and be sure the handle is secure and does not move. You can now remove the tape. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, we'll see you later.